If you want to uninstall Tubi because you want to reinstall it or because it's taking too much space, then watch this tutorial to learn how to uninstall Tubi on Windows 11 and in Windows 10 in a quick and easy way. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate Tubi. Click on the three dots to open the Tubi options. Click on Advanced Options. Locate the Uninstall option. This will uninstall Tubi and its settings. Your documents will not be affected. First, press Uninstall. The Tubi app and its related data will be uninstalled. Press Uninstall again. If you want to reinstall the app, first open the Microsoft Store. Search for Tubi. Click on Tubi. Press Get. Wait for Tubi to be downloaded and installed. Now open Tubi. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.